Well, hello everyone. Hope you have a nice day. So, my name is Ayu Hamastudi Acil, and this is my picture. I'm from class A 2017 English Department of Mula Warman University. Well, before we start into our discussion, let me tell you our learning objective for this activity. After following the learning process, students are expected to be able, first, to identify the use of 5W plus 1H in asking information about COVID-19 correctly. Second, to show the expression of asking for and giving information about COVID-19 correctly. Third, to using the exact phrase asking and giving information about COVID-19. Fourth, to make a statement asking and giving information about COVID-19 correctly. Okay, before we turn into our discussion today, what do you think about this picture? Picture 1 and picture 2? Well, after you suggest the previous picture, today we will learn and discuss about asking and giving information. Exactly combined with our topic today about coronavirus disease 19, or you can call it COVID-19. I believe you know what is COVID-19, right? But before we start our lesson today, I will give some information about COVID-19. For the first one is definition of COVID-19. COVID-19 is respiratory illness that can spread from person to person. This virus is first identified in Wuhan, China. Then, many people ask, how does this virus spread? This virus is probably emerged an animal source, but now it's spreading from person to person. It also may be possible that a person can get COVID-19 by touching a surface or subject that has the virus on it and then touching their own mouth, nose, or possibly their eyes, but this is not thought to be the main way the virus spreads. Let's continue for the information. Many people ask what are the symptoms of COVID-19. This is the answer. Patients with COVID-19 has different symptoms each other based on their immunity system. In general, people who infected COVID-19 had mild to severe respiratory illness with symptoms of first, fever, second, cough, third, shortness of breath. And the next, how we can protect ourselves? People can protect themselves from respiratory illness with everyday preventive action. First, avoid close contact with people who are sick. Second, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Third, wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol if soap and water are not available. Okay, after all of the information about coronaviruses, we turn into the core of our lesson today. I will explain about definition of ask and giving information. In general definition, asking and giving information is our expression to ask question or to ask about explanation from get information from it. And the next definition, especially for us, is to say or write something to someone as a way of gaining information, to request an answer to a question. Then, for especially give is about we share information. And the next one is about purposes of asking and giving information. In giving information is to share our thoughts, inform and explain information that is not known by others who ask. But when giving information, these are the things to consider. First, speak clearly. Second, use understandable language. Third, able the listener. In asking purpose, to get information about general information, direction, our background, families, and what others think about something or opinion, and you want to know what the others think of their own answer for a question that you ask. Okay, that's all of the purpose. For the next, let me tell you the generic structure of asking and giving information. Using 5W plus 1H for asking information. For the example, what is your name? Who is your mother? Where do you live? Why are you late? And then using do or does for asking information. For the example, do you know about? Does he know what? Well, as I mentioned before, is the generic structure of asking and giving information. And this is the language features or structure text of asking and giving information. Asking for, can you tell me? Could you tell me? I'd like to know. Do you know? Got or have you any idea? Do or would you happen to know? I don't suppose you would know. I wonder if you could tell me. I like to know. Could you? In giving information, it is the I understand. I will explain it. Of course. I will tell you. I will inform you. This is you can do. Yes. After all of my explanation about coronavirus disease and asking for giving information, this is example of asking and giving information dialogue. Ani, hello Budi, can you tell me as asking information? What is the pandemic going today? Budi, hello Ani, it is as giving information, coronavirus disease or as noun COVID-19. Ani, so this is one of the reason why prohibited going to school as asking information. Budi, yes, you are right Ani. As giving information, we should physical distance each other. Ani, why we cannot go to school? As asking information. Is it just viruses, right? Budi, no Ani. As giving information, this virus is not only like usual viruses. This is dangerous. Ani, why is called dangerous? As asking information. Budi, because these viruses can spread from person to person. As giving information. Ani, alright Budi, now I understand. Thank you for the information. Budi, you're welcome. And this is the second example asking and giving information dialogue. Firda, Dea, I need your help. Can you tell me, asking information, how to protect ourselves from COVID-19? Dea, yes Firda, I will explain it. And giving information. First, avoid close contact with people who are sick. Second, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. The last, wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Firda, alright Dea, as asking information. Thank you for the information. Dea, you're welcome Firda. Now, let's redo some exercise. While you want to choose your answer in the question, you can pause the video. Question number 1. Yes, this is coronavirus disease 19 as noun COVID-19. The utterance expresses A. Giving opinion, B. Giving attention, C. Giving information, D. Asking attention. Time's up. The answer is C, giving information. The question number 2. Do you know what is COVID yet? The utterance expresses A. Asking attention, B. Asking opinion, C. Asking information, D. Giving information. Time's up. The answer is C, asking information. Question number 3. We can use following expression for asking someone information, except A. You can come here, this is isolation room of COVID-19. B. I don't supposed to ask you about this COVID-19 affected in your family. C. Can you show me how wash my hand with properly? D. Could you tell me how protect myself from COVID-19? Time's up. The answer is A. You can come here, this is isolation room of COVID-19. Question number 4. Choose the expression for giving information. A. Can you show me how wash my hand with properly? B. Could you tell me how protect myself from COVID-19? C. You must do physical distance and don't forget to wash your hands. D. Can you tell me what is the pandemic ongoing today? Time's up. The answer is C. You must do physical distance and don't forget to wash your hands. Exercise number 5. Complete the following conversation. Maya, Leah, is the first COVID-19 identified? Leah, yes, this virus is first identified in the Wuhan, Republic of China. A. Do you know where? B. Would you tell me? C. When did this happen? D. Can you show me? Time's up. The answer is A. Do you know where? Question number 6. Choose the expression for asking information of COVID-19. Can you tell me what is the definition of A? You must wash your hand after doing activity out from home. C. You must use mask even you are not sick. D. Can you explain the direction go to the hospital? Time's up, the answer is A. Can you tell me what is the definition of COVID-19? Okay, I guess that's it from our exercise. So what we have learned on this video will be concluded in here. First, giving and asking information is important in our daily life to know the situation around us. Second, it makes us to be care about what happened in our environment. Third, it also makes us to think critically about something what happens. Fourth, asking and giving information make us know more, enlarges and sharpen our knowledge. Okay, thank you for your attention.